When I was growing up, our yard was full of fruit. Of course, they were tropical fruits. I would like to recreate that in my backyard, except the fruits would be mostly berries. We used to have two apple trees. Because we didn't have a fence back then, deer could easily access our yard and they ended up killing both trees by damaging the bark. I also tried to plant a young cherry tree, but they killed that one too, so I finally gave up. Now that we have a fence, I've planted mostly berries. I'm not sure if I'm going to plant any apple or cherry trees yet. Let me show you the fruits growing in my yard. My lawn is turning brown right now. I'm not sure if it is due to lack of water or something else. This is a Saskatoon berry. I have two plants, Pheasant and Smoky. I'm not entirely sure which one this is. Anyway, both Pheasant and Smoky Saskatoon varieties are hardy to Zone 2A, which is perfect for Winnipeg. We're in either Zone 3A or 3B. This plant requires sun to grow. According to the description, they flower in spring and produce round, sweet blueberries in June. I haven't seen or tasted any berries yet, so we'll see when they start fruiting. Saskatoon berry is self-pollinating, meaning it doesn't need another plant to produce berries. It's supposed to be low maintenance and best to prune in late winter or spring. Deer would leave it alone unless they are really hungry. Now, let's go inside my vegetable garden. I have two kinds of berries there. This is my strawberry plant. It's an ever-bearing strawberry, producing strawberries all season long. This is the goji berry. I successfully grew 7 from seeds, but only 2 came back this year. The other one is at the other end. I left the goji berries unprotected from the winter climate. According to the description, goji berries, also called wolfberries, are tiny red fruits packed with antioxidants. The fruit is best eaten dried and it's sweet with a slightly sour flavor. I read an article that goji berries have been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years. It's said to slow the signs of aging and provide other benefits. I'm not sure if this is true, but if it does slow the signs of aging, it's worth trying, right? Here's the other Saskatoon berry. It hasn't grown much, but I can't wait for it to start flowering and bearing fruit. These are blueberries. They don't look happy. Although one of them bore some fruit, they aren't very big. Birds usually eat them before I can. Right beside the blueberries are 2 blackberry plants that are currently fruiting. They're obviously not ripe yet, but I'm happy to see these fruits. I have 3 raspberry plants. I know they're invasive, which means they grow everywhere, so I planted them in a galvanized tub with the bottom cut out to encourage deeper root growth instead of sideways. Hopefully this prevents them from spreading. What I don't understand is why the fruit doesn't look like the ones from the store. They're a bit smaller and the segments fall apart when picked. After researching, what I believe caused this issue is what they call mechanical injury from broken canes and damaged stems, which cannot adequately nourish the forming fruit. I experienced a lot of mold damage last winter where they chewed on the plant's bark. The raspberries are among those plants that were damaged. Perhaps that's what's causing the deformed fruit. We'll see next year how it goes, if this problem persists, and if it's not the mold damage that caused this, I might consider replacing the raspberries with better disease-resistant ones. Here's a haskap, borealis variety, also known as honeyberry or edible honeysuckle. The fruit tastes like a mix of sweet and tangy, similar to a blend of blueberries and raspberries. The fruits are elongated and cylindrical with deep blue and purplish red colors. They're hardy in zones 3 to 8 and low maintenance. Here's the other haskap, the Aurora variety. It's compatible with borealis for pollination. Aurora has been producing fruits, but I haven't seen fruit on borealis yet. The berries are ready for harvest in late spring or early summer. Haskap is considered a superfruit due to its nutritional content, rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and dietary fiber. It contains high levels of vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and anthocyanins, known for potential health benefits. This is a hardy kiwi, Actinidia argura isai. Isai is a self-fertile variety, so it doesn't need a separate male plant for pollination, unlike other hardy kiwi varieties that require both male and female plants. The fruit is smaller than traditional kiwi fruit, about the size of a large grape. The skin is smooth and edible, and it can be green or red depending on sunlight the plant receives. The fruit is sweet and tangy, resembling regular kiwi fruit but milder. Those are the fruit plants I have in my backyard. I hope you enjoyed this part of my backyard tour. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Your comments would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated. Before I go, I would like to remind you that the randomly generated number result is coming up at the end of this video. If you're wondering what this is about, it's a weekly game we're having for all the subscribers who are members of the Life and Garden by Juvy Facebook group. In the group, I'll post an item mostly for balikbayan box purposes for those who live in the Philippines. However, if you're interested and don't live in the Philippines, you're welcome to join as long as you're a Life and Garden by Juvy YouTube subscriber and a member of the Life and Garden by Juvy Facebook group. To join the Facebook group, all you have to do is take a screenshot of your Life and Garden by Juvy YouTube subscription and send it to us through Facebook Messenger. If you could also provide your YouTube screen or username, it would be greatly appreciated. Once we receive your subscription screenshot, we will send you an invite to join the group. Once you're in, you can participate in as many games as you like. I will post this information at the very end of this video. The first part will be in Tagalog or the Philippine language, followed by an English version. Once again, thank you very much. Until next time, bye-bye!